Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without breaking the bank or your sanity. Today, we've got a drone showdown that's hotter than a summer barbecue. The Bwine F7GPS Drone versus the Gloral drone with 4K Camera RC Quadcopter. Will the Bwine fly high, or will the Gloral soar above the competition? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the price. The Bwine F7 GPS is a whopping $501. Yeah, you heard that right. For that price, it better come with a personal butler to fly it for you. Meanwhile, the Gloral drone is priced at a much more wallet-friendly $179. That's less than what you'd spend on a fancy dinner for two. So if you're on a budget, the Gloral is already looking pretty sweet. Next, let's zoom in on the cameras. Pun absolutely intended. The Bwine sports a 4K camera with a 3-axis gimbal. That's like having a professional film crew in your backpack. It also has a 90 degrees adjustable lens and a 120 degrees FOV lens. On the other hand, the Gloral also boasts a 4K camera with a 110 degrees wide angle and a 90 degrees adjustable lens. But wait, there's more. The Gloral offers 5G Wi-Fi transmission and image stabilization. So if you're all about that Instagram life, both drones have you covered. But if you want to look like Spielberg, the Bwine might just edge out the Gloral. Let's talk airtime. The Bwine gives you 50 minutes of flight time with 2 batteries. That's enough time to contemplate your life choices while it charges for 6.5 hours. The Gloral, on the other hand, offers 46 minutes of flight time with its 2 batteries. Not too shabby, but not quite 50 either. So if you're planning to make a feature-length film, maybe keep an extra battery handy. Now, let's see how these drones handle the elements. The Bwine has level 6 wind resistance. Sounds like it's ready to take on a hurricane. It also has a 10,000 feet long-range transmission, which means you can fly it to your neighbor's backyard and back without losing signal. The Gloral doesn't specify its wind resistance, but it does offer GPS follow, route planning, and fly around 360 degrees. So if you're looking for a drone that can follow you around like a loyal puppy, the Gloral might be your new best friend. Safety first, folks. The Bwine comes with GPS auto return, follow me, and waypoints. It's like a helicopter parent, always making sure you're safe and sound. The Gloral also prioritizes safety with return-to-home functionality and intelligent fail-safe features. So whether you go with Bwine or Gloral, your drone won't ghost you mid-flight. Last but not least, let's talk about portability. The Bwine comes with a carrying shell case, but it's not exactly pocket-sized. The Gloral, however, is compact and foldable, perfect for those spontaneous road trips where you suddenly decide you're a travel vlogger. The Bwine F7 GPS drone has received positive feedback for its ease of setup, flight performance, and excellent video quality. Users appreciate its advanced features, but note some minor issues with battery life and signal distance. On the other hand, the Gloral drone with 4K Camera RC Quadcopter is praised for its ease of use, quiet operation, and good value for money. Reviewers highlight its stability, decent camera quality, and impressive range, making it a fantastic investment for both beginners and pros. So there you have it, folks. The Bwine F7 GPS drone offers top-notch features but comes with a hefty price tag. The Gloral drone with 4K Camera RC Quadcopter is more budget-friendly and still packs a punch. Which one should you buy? Well, That depends on your needs and how fat your wallet is. Let us know in the comments which drone you think flies higher. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our next epic comparison. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Product links are in the description.